name is Klein with Tender Care Lawn Service. How may I help you? Yes, ma'am, we do mowing services. Yes, ma'am, we do landscape services. Yes, ma'am, we do irrigation services. Yes, ma'am, we do drainage services. Yes, ma'am, we do fertilization and weed control. Okay. We will reach out to you and get a crew out there immediately. Okay. Bye-bye. Oh, hey guys, we get questions all the time. Do we do lawn maintenance? Do we do irrigation? Do we do drainage? Do we do landscaping? Do we do fertilization and weed control? Yes, we do it all. So if you have any more questions, go to tendercarelawnservice.com or call our office at 313-3002 and the girl will take care of you.